Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this card making project. In this project we're going to make a shaker card using Anna Griffin's gorgeous shaker card making kit. As always, all the details of everything I use will be on my blog, but the only thing I am using together with the shaker card kit is a little pink satin bow that was from one of Anna's accessory bow kits. So please feel free to check my blog out. You can always contact me there, or you can contact me on Facebook if you want to reply. But I can't reply on YouTube because there's a glitch with my system. Now, this project is going to be a really quick project if it wasn't for me chattering, because to make the shaker cards, Anna's made it so easy for you, and she's thought of everything, and it is literally a few minutes and you're done. So let's make a shaker card. In the kit you get the bases for the shaker cards, and this is a base that's got a sentiment already in it. And today in our project, this is the first of our shaker card projects. We will do some more as we go along in the weeks to come, and we'll do some that are a little bit more advanced and use the dies and then add our own elements. So for this one, this is purely from the shaker card kit, and I'm using it as it is, as it were. So this is the base, and you get the sentiment already printed on it, and then it's already got a square window cut out. So what happens is we're going to use our bone folder as always to make sure that we've got our nice sharp crease at the top of the card, and then Anna's included the shaker part of the card, and it's the little acetane bags that have already got sequins in. The bag is already sealed. The only thing that you need extra is some tape to put along the side of the sequin bag. So basically that's all you're going to need to make a card, because everything else is a sticker, so it will self-stick. Now what happens is, where you've got the base, normally you would be making an acetate window and then adding 3D foam and then covering it up. So here, very simple, you place the sequin bag over the top of the window like that and press it down, and I'm going to point out the inside first. So the inside looks really neat, and you haven't got the extra pieces covering it up. And now we can cover the outside, so you'll be able to see the sentiment through the shaker pieces. So I'm going to just flatten those a little bit, and then we're going to take our top section, because in the kit there's lots of panels, and these are all stickers, and you simply pick the shape that you want, and I've picked a heart, and I'm going to punch out the heart in the centre because that reveals our window, and that is going to be placed over the top of the card. Now, as I said, these are stickers, so you simply peel the back of them away and peel, there we go, in one section. You don't have to do it in one section, but it all peels away, and then you simply place the top layer with the shape over the front of the card like that, and then that hides the edges of the sequin bag, and you've still got it looking neat on the back, and you've got your shaker sequins in the centre, and you can see the sentiment through it. So now we can decorate it. Because everything in the kit is a sticker, there's lots of elements that you can use to cover and make borders, etc. around your shape. So I've chosen one of the heart embellishments, and I'm simply going to take the outside away because we're going to use that, and I'm also going to use the very inner. So these are all die cut and they're just held together with little strands of paper, well, card, to hold each other in place. So you just pull them apart carefully. Now you can snip the edges away if you want, but to be fair, they're not very big at all on these. So sometimes you get things that you have to just trim away the excess, but on these you don't. So there's not even that to do. So the largest heart that I've picked from the kit is going to create a frame around the heart on the card. So again, because it's a sticker, I'm peeling the back away, and I'm going to simply place it around the gold foil that's on the edge already, like so, to make a border for my heart. And then I'm going to use the heart we've already got that we took from the centre, and I'm going to match it with another one of the hearts that we had in the kit, and I'm just going to simply add those two together and add them at the top there. And then I've picked another one from the kit, add this just to the bottom. I've got a sentiment that again has come from the kit. These are all stickers, and I'm going to place that just to one side like that. And I'm taking one of the rose embellishments. Now this is a sticker, but I've added 3D foam on the back just for something a little bit different. And then finally I'm going to add a little bow underneath the birthday wishes sentiment on the front. And that is our shaker card finished. And everything, apart from the little bow, is from the kit. It's a beautiful kit, very versatile. You get lots of different sentiments in it and lots of different shapes, and the elements that you can build up around the card. Stands up nicely, and that would definitely go on a mantelpiece. It will fit in the envelopes. You get envelopes in the kit as well. Don't think you'll need so much extra for posting because it's very flat. Just, you know, the only extra is going to be any decoupage you add to it. But the actual shaker part to it is still flat. And it's just such a pretty idea. And anybody that receives that will know that you've taken time and care to make a card, but they would never know that the hard part was actually done for you. So all you have to do is choose the elements that you want to use and put it together. Such a nifty idea. So I do hope you've enjoyed this, and it's given you an insight into how to make the shaker cards and what a great kit it is. Very versatile, and you can always use lots of your own elements with it if you want to add more, or if you want to stay as it is. It's just got that beauty that is just typical Anna Griffin. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I hope it's given you a little bit of inspiration. So it just leaves me to say thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.